Twisted Love 2021 is a contemporary adult romance by Ana Huang and the first installment in the Twisted series, a quartet of interwoven love stories about four friends, Ava, Bridget, Jules, and Stella. A TikTok sensation, the book is also a USA Today, Publishers Weekly, and Indie Reader bestseller. Told through alternating first-person perspectives, Twisted Love follows Ava, Chen, and Alex Volkov as they navigate a fiery, all-consuming romance while confronting the traumas of their pasts. The story begins with Ava stranded in the wilderness after a photography shoot. When her brother, Josh Chen, cannot pick her up, his best friend Alex Volkov steps in. The tense car ride, filled with strained conversation and barely concealed hostility, underscores the emotional distance between them. At Josh's farewell party, before he leaves for a year volunteering in Central America, Alex promises to protect Ava from her threatening ex-boyfriend. Haunted by his inability to protect his family from past tragedies, Alex's anxiety triggers flashbacks of his parents' murders. Throughout the party, women vie for Alex's attention, but his belief that emotional vulnerability is weakness keeps him distant. After Josh departs, Alex moves into his friend's house to keep Ava safe. As COO of the company he built with his uncle Ivan, Alex's cold, corporate demeanor often bleeds into his personal life. Ava, determined to break through, bakes cookies and wins an invitation into his home. There, they share a vulnerable conversation about their memory issues. Alex's hyperthymesia allows him to remember every detail of his life, while Ava cannot recall anything before age 9, a foreshadowing of her later recovery of repressed trauma. Alex shuts down emotionally after this exchange. During a weekly catch-up with her friends Jules, Bridget, and Stella, Ava launches Operation Emotion, a series of schemes to coax emotion out of the notoriously stoic Alex. Weeks of failure culminate in the final stage, jealousy. By now, however, their connection has grown. Hostility softens and occasional flirting emerges. When Alex displays jealousy at seeing Ava dance with another man at a college charity gala, it marks a turning point in their relationship. A tender evening at his house reveals one of Ava's night terrors, tied to her childhood trauma involving water and drowning. Over the following months, both struggle to resist their mutual attraction. Ava's desire intensifies, especially after learning of Alex's dark sexual preferences from an ex-fling, Madeline House, which only deepens her fascination. Alex, bound by his promise to Josh and his growing feelings, finds his interest in Ava strengthening despite himself. His protective instincts flare when he sees a video of Madeline pushing Ava, who cannot swim, into a pool, revealing the depth of his emotions. Ava asks Alex to teach her to swim, symbolically confronting her past fears. Ava organizes Alex's birthday party, the first he has celebrated since his parents' death. They share an intimate moment, a heated kiss interrupted by Alex's self-restraint. Weeks later, they finally surrender to desire, culminating in a hotel encounter and the start of their official relationship. Thanksgiving brings Ava and Alex to her father, Michael Chen, where Ava's repressed memories resurface. Her father, not her mother, attempted to kill her twice in childhood, motivated by resentment over her existence as the product of his wife's infidelity. With Alex's support, Ava takes legal action, and she and Josh reconcile over family matters. Meanwhile, Alex plots revenge for his family's murders, initially believing Michael to be the culprit. However, a series of letters reveals that his uncle Ivan, not Michael, is responsible. After weeks of distancing himself from Ava to execute his plan, Alex confronts Ivan, who has kidnapped Ava and Bridget, to force Alex to relinquish his company. Alex stalls by revealing his manipulations, lying that his relationship with Ava was merely a means to an end. In a tense confrontation, Alex poisons Ivan's tea and kills him. Despite having eliminated the threat, Alex refuses to explain himself to Ava, leaving her heartbroken. Months of separation follow. Ava conquers her fear of water, swims alone, and flies to London for the World Youth Photography Fellowship. Alex admits his love but misses her departure. 2 weeks into her fellowship, Ava begins to heal, only for Alex to arrive in London seeking forgiveness. Though Ava rejects him, Alex remains, bringing breakfast and accompanying her to work daily for a year. At the fellowship's close, Alex performs a heartfelt song at her exhibition, leading to reconciliation and a private, intimate reunion. The epilogue, set 4 months after their return to the United States, shows Alex and Ava happily together, celebrating Thanksgiving with Alex's Krav Maga instructor Ralph and his wife Missy. Josh, still resentful, has yet to accept their relationship, but Alex and Ava remain hopeful that he will eventually come around. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.